Alright, let's get this show on the road. Headed to Iceland finally. I mean, I couldn't believe that the visa actually came through at the very last minute. Just finished making my flight and hotel reservations. Let's go! Welcome! Surprise! Welcome! Since 1 hour ago. Security done. Got our bags checked in. And now heading to our gate. Abul Tugla or whatever. Oh, Pritham would always pan so much, no? I have to pan upwards so much. This one's got motion tracking as well. So if I were to do that, yeah, now if I go there, it will follow me. Yay! Follow me. Yeah, neither did I. सब आपका दिलाया हुआ खाना है.
Please pay attention to every detail.
What up? Welcome to Amsterdam. Welcome to Amsterdam.
Freedom.
So we're out here, Schiphol Airport. Touchdown Amsterdam. Day return, right? Amsterdam Central. Day return. Oh, this is my ticket. That's your receipt, I guess. We out here in Amsterdam Central. Oh, you're gonna go shadeless, or what?
I have shades.
You do. Straight from the ski slopes, we have Viken. Where are we going, Jail, for breakfast?
Max Verstappen. Bum, 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 bum.
Why did we go to that breakfast?
Cheers.
So many more.
Cheers, Demi.
2 years in the making.
2 years in the making.
2008. On my leg.
Dig in, man, Demi. I'll also have.
God, is it recording?
Yeah, it is.
I didn't put on my Marilyn Monroe head.
Interesting.
Which feels
Thank you for
weird.
the trivia.
Hello, welcome to a new podcast. Don't forget to subscribe.
Like as well. Like.
Like us. Click on the like button right now.
This is good. Dash is good. And if you had told me this morning that I'd be sweating in Amsterdam, I would have probably laughed. Manoj and I heading back to the metro. Sweet. 10A, right? Let's find it. Okay, 10A. That's us. Let's go. Saying our farewells to Amsterdam. So the layover at Amsterdam has come to an end. Now we're headed to Iceland, Reykjavik. So that's the next flight. This is what pre-gaming at the age of 40 is like before a flight. Iceland Reykjavik, here we go. Or is it here we come? Yo, 24 hours later, man. Welcome to Iceland.